The future of robotics may have just changed forever. Elon Musk has officially revealed Tesla Optimus Gen 3, and according to Tesla, this is the smartest humanoid robot the company has ever created. What once looked like a science fiction dream is now becoming reality faster than anyone expected. The newest generation of Optimus is not just walking or carrying objects anymore. Tesla claims the robot can now think more independently, understand its surroundings better, and perform real-world tasks with impressive intelligence. Around the world, people are reacting with excitement, curiosity, and even fear. Some believe Optimus Gen 3 could revolutionize industries and change human life forever, while others worry about what happens when machines become smart enough to replace human labor. But no matter what side people are on, one thing is becoming clear. The age of advanced humanoid robots has officially begun. The first Optimus prototype was simple and far from perfect. Its movements were slow, stiff, and limited. Many robotics experts argued Tesla was years behind companies already developing humanoid machines. But Tesla moved quickly. Instead of spending decades quietly testing robots in labs, the company continuously improved its designs in public. Every new demonstration showed major improvements. Optimus Gen 2 shocked the internet by walking naturally, handling objects carefully, and performing factory tasks with increasing precision. Videos of the robot folding clothes, sorting items, and moving smoothly spread rapidly across social media platforms. Suddenly, people realized Tesla was making serious progress. Now, Gen 3 appears to be the biggest leap yet. Tesla says Optimus Gen 3 is lighter, faster, more energy efficient, and significantly smarter than previous versions. The biggest improvement is its upgraded AI brain. Unlike traditional robots that rely on pre-programmed actions, Gen 3 can analyze situations and react more independently. This makes the robot far more adaptable in unpredictable environments. Real life is messy and constantly changing. Objects move unexpectedly. Humans behave unpredictably. Lighting changes. Obstacles appear suddenly. Teaching a robot to operate safely in such environments is incredibly difficult, but Tesla believes Gen 3 is now approaching that level of intelligence. The robot uses advanced cameras and sensors to understand the world around it. Tesla's neural networks process visual information in real time, allowing Optimus to identify objects, track movement, and react quickly. If someone walks in front of the robot, it can adjust its path instantly. If it drops an object, it can respond immediately. If it encounters a new environment, the AI can analyze surroundings and determine how to move safely. These may seem like ordinary actions to humans, but for robots, they require enormous computational power and advanced machine learning systems. This is one reason experts are paying so much attention to Tesla's progress. One of the most impressive aspects of Optimus Gen 3 is its ability to perform tasks with minimal human control. Tesla demonstrated the robot completing jobs autonomously, suggesting major advancements in decision-making capabilities. Instead of simply following fixed commands, the robot can reportedly understand goals and determine how to complete them independently. For example, if a worker asks the robot to organize boxes, Optimus can identify the boxes, analyze the environment, plan movements, and complete the task on its own. That level of intelligence represents a huge step forward in robotics. Factories are expected to become one of the first major testing grounds for Optimus Gen 3. Tesla already relies heavily on automation inside its manufacturing plants, so humanoid robots are a natural extension of the company's vision. Manufacturing jobs often involve repetitive and physically exhausting work. Robots capable of operating continuously without fatigue could dramatically increase efficiency. Unlike humans, robots do not require sleep, breaks, or recovery time. Tesla believes Optimus could eventually handle dangerous or repetitive tasks that many workers prefer to avoid. Warehouse operations may also change dramatically because of humanoid robotics. Companies around the world face labor shortages and rising demand for faster deliveries. A robot capable of lifting, sorting, organizing, and transporting inventory could transform logistics industries. The advantage of humanoid robots is that they fit naturally into environments already built for humans. Warehouses, tools, staircases, shelves, and equipment are designed around the human body. Instead of redesigning entire buildings for automation, companies could potentially use humanoid robots that operate inside existing spaces. The hands of Optimus Gen 3 are especially important because human hands are incredibly complex. A useful humanoid robot must handle delicate objects carefully, while still maintaining enough strength to lift heavier items. Tesla reportedly improved finger dexterity and force control significantly, allowing the robot to perform detailed tasks with greater precision. This means Optimus can potentially handle tools, organize objects, and manipulate fragile materials safely. Such capabilities are essential if humanoid robots are going to function in homes, factories, hospitals, or offices. Tesla argues that Optimus will initially focus on dangerous, repetitive, and physically exhausting jobs. Many industries already struggle with labor shortages, especially in manufacturing, construction, and logistics. Robots capable of performing risky tasks could reduce workplace injuries and improve productivity. Hospitals and elderly care facilities may also benefit from robotic assistance as populations continue aging worldwide. In the future, humanoid robots could help support elderly individuals with daily activities and reduce pressure on healthcare systems. Still, concerns about job replacement remain very real. If robots become affordable and highly capable, businesses may eventually replace certain human workers to reduce costs and improve efficiency. This could affect millions of jobs across industries worldwide. However, technology has historically created new opportunities even while eliminating others. The rise of computers removed some professions but created entirely new industries such as software development, cybersecurity, digital marketing, and app creation. Robotics could follow a similar path, though the speed of change may be much faster this time. One of Elon Musk's most ambitious goals is bringing Optimus into ordinary homes. Imagine a humanoid robot helping with household chores, carrying groceries, cleaning rooms, preparing meals, or assisting elderly family members. That future may sound distant, but Tesla believes Gen 3 is bringing society closer to that reality. The robot's improved intelligence and adaptability make home robotics more realistic than ever before. Instead of using separate machines for different tasks, people could eventually own one intelligent humanoid assistant capable of learning many different activities. Tesla is not alone in the race to build advanced humanoid robots. Around the world, companies and research labs are investing billions into robotics and AI. Some focus on industrial robots designed for specific tasks, while others develop machines specialized in mobility or warehouse operations. Companies like Boston Dynamics have already demonstrated robots capable of incredible athletic movement. But Tesla's approach is unique because it focuses on creating a general-purpose humanoid robot powered by advanced AI systems. Instead of designing robots for one limited task, Tesla wants Optimus to adapt and learn many different jobs. Tesla may also possess advantages that competitors struggle to match. The company already has massive AI infrastructure developed through autonomous driving projects. Tesla also has experience in large-scale manufacturing and supply chain management. If the company succeeds in mass-producing humanoid robots efficiently, it could reduce costs rapidly and dominate the market. That possibility is exactly why investors and technology experts are paying so much attention to Optimus Gen 3